Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. Hey, look it. The elves took over my craft room. They got into all my Christmas craft stuff. I mean, they got little red trucks in here. They got sequins, washi tape, little puff balls. They're making Christmas cards because this one says, Merry Christmas, the elves. Tico, the elf. My bad. And this one says, Merry Christmas, Jade. That's her. And Riley's little note says, Merry Christmas, Riley. Riley named her elf Riley. Okay. They're sitting on their new chairs, and he's sitting on his toilet. He's going to be moving sometime tonight. But that's not why I'm here. The reason I'm here is on Sabrina, the Mismatch Crafters channel right now. You guys can go over and cast your vote for your favorite ornament. We had 12 entries. Woo! Thank you, everybody that entered. And I don't know what I did with the ornament piece of paper, so that's why I decided to show you what my elves created. But, so, I'm going to have that video linked in the description box below. So go over to Sabrina the Mismatch Crafter, listen to the video, and cast your favorite ornament by number. And that person that gets the most votes wins a gift card or a PayPal from Sabrina and I. And if somebody, say we get one number or we get two numbers that have the same amount of votes, we will put those people's names in a hat or whatever Sabrina's doing, because Sabrina's keeping tabs. So, and then she's going to have Zach pick a winner that way. So, go over, cast your vote for your favorite ornament, and I will have that video linked in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching, and please go over and cast your vote. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now, everybody. Merry Christmas!